안녕하세요. 저는 9학년을 지금 QMS에서 다니고 있는 유채은 소피아 이은이랍니다. 합니다. I chose QMS because it was really perfect for me because there's a lot of nature surrounding it. And the biggest reason why is because of the equestrian program. I was riding a lot in Korea and I loved how QMS had a program for it. So QMS was my top first pick. I was kind of nervous about the boarding house because my brother is also going to school here, but I thought boarding can be really hard because I'm living apart from my family. But after I have visited QMS and had a tour, I just knew this was my school. My favorite experience was the spirit days because it's not really common back at home to have these kind of opportunities. For my house is huge, so I love the idea of having spirit days and having a slightly competition throughout the year. And I had a lot of fun, like dodgeball and other certain ways to gain house points. So I think that was my highlight of the year. Throughout the year, I've made a lot of friends in the boarding house. It's really fun because your friend lives like next door, and we always have sleepovers. And this house director, Miss Lyric, is my favorite person in the world right now. She listens and she makes so much fun events. She's like my favorite person here. I would really recommend QMS because it really feels like home. And the staff here actually treat you like daughters, and they're just like mothers here for us. 봐주셔서 감사합니다. QMS를 선택해 주십시오.